Hey everyone, Canoo is about to do something it's never done before. It's about to start production and start generating revenue. Finally, the moment that investors have been waiting for. After over $1 billion in investment in research and development, the company will finally begin production and make sales. So let's get into some of the details of something that Canoo has never done before. So here, a analyst asked management, "Do you see initial production getting underway by the end of second quarter or early third quarter? And then can you ramp from there? Can you just give us some more insight?" And so management said, "Sure," right? The CEO, Anthony Akia, jumps in and says, "Hey, we've done some limited production, right? We've got the NASA deal. We did 15 LDVs and we're using them for testing and activities with customers, as well as we'll be delivering some NASA vehicles in the quarter." So it will be the beginning of us in the coming quarters starting to generate some revenue. Finally, so in this next quarter, you will likely see Canoo start generating some revenue in Q2, something it has not yet done before on a meaningful level. So it will be limited, but it's a good news that it will get started, and then once the company starts, it will continue to ramp from there. It's taken a long, cautious approach to get to this point. Investors have been waiting for a long time for this to happen. So that's excellent news to Canoo stock investors. Now, the company is focused on delivering vehicles and it's focused very heavily on exiting 2023 at a 20,000 vehicle run rate. 20,000 vehicles. That could be exciting if Canoo actually achieves this 20,000 vehicle run rate. And the goal for management is by the end of 2023. By the end of this year, they want to be on a 20,000 vehicle run rate. Now, that could mean a few things, right? Management has left this open to interpretation. It could mean that the company produces 5,000 cars in the fourth quarter, which, if you annualize that, is on a 20,000 vehicle run rate. Or it could mean that the company uh, produces like 2,000 cars in the final month of the year, which technically is on the 20,000 vehicle run rate. If you annualize 2,000 in a month to a year, that's over 20,000 for the year. So management has left this into interpretation, but it's good news that we've got some actual tangible targets here and production is beginning. The company has orders already, so it's not like it's going to make these cars and then wait to make sales. It's already got the sales orders in with NASA. It's got a big order from Walmart. So this is exciting news. And what management also said that I haven't included here is that if they get to the 20,000 run rate by the end of this year, they think they can get to the 40,000 run rate by the end of next year. So they think by the end of this year to the end of next year that they could double production. That would be huge. That would be huge to go from essentially zero vehicle sales to 40,000 vehicle sales at the end of 2024. So huge news for Canoo stock investors. Canoo is finally doing something it has never done before, and this is exciting for Canoo stock investors. But that's all I've got for this brief video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.